Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple cartoon type suits. Very simple, anybody can model that shoes. I'm going to model it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So here is very simple model of a shoes. This is our final render for our thumbnail. So that's it. This is the model I have done today. Very simple model, simple and basic model. Anyone can model this. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.